get unbelievably low airfares every day. Fly, sleep, drive, cheap.
It's been a long, tough day and your body can really feel the pain. Time for new Bayer Muscle and Joint Cream. It soothes sore muscles and aching joints by increasing
cause a manifestation of my being in the future. You will be asleep in bed. I will be there and watch over you. When you wake, I will not be able to move any part of you. When the doctors eventually find you, they will not see me, but you will, and I'll see you too, forever. I'll see you.
Remove those really tough stains, like blueberries, coffee, even red wine. OxyClean is tough on stains without the damaging effects of chlorine bleach. If you save one pair of jeans, then OxyClean has paid for.
This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Federal Communications Commission. At roughly 7:33 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, all television channels broadcasting in southern Pennsylvania were hijacked, displaying a person with a melted face speaking to the viewer in an unsettling voice, telling them about that, when they wake up, they will not be able to move and only the viewer will be able to see it when help arrives. This broadcast was just an attempt to scare everyone watching. Do not treat this hijacking as something to worry about. The hijacker is still unidentified at this time. If you know anything about the hijacker or if you think you know who he is or his whereabouts, contact your local authorities as soon as possible. Regular programming will resume. We are sorry for the interruption.
Tell you how to join. Call 1-800-382-1010.
That's it. Go slow. Good. Good. Almost there. A little more.
Look, Dad, a quarter.
Where?
Over there. Ah.
This message is being broadcasted at the request of the National Emergency Number Association as well as local authorities. Due to a growing number of 911 calls in the area, there is a 911 outage. A 911 outage refers to a disruption in the 911 emergency communication system, which can prevent emergency calls from reaching dispatched centers. These calls have been due to a large amount of pseudocoma cases in the southern region of Pennsylvania. If you are in an emergency, dial the Federal Emergency Management Agency at 1-800-621-3362. Again, if you are in an emergency, dial 1-800-621-3362.
If you know what I mean.
Got something to say? Grab a chisel tip Sharpie, available in 8 bold colors.
I said throw it in the back. Yeah.
Sharpie, right out loud.
3 people are staying at the same...
This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. As of 5:26 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, All recent cases of pseudocoma have been linked back to the hijacking incident that happened a few days ago, which has now been named Broadcast 813. Someone was able to communicate with one of the patients via Morse code. When the patient was being questioned, the patient said that he could hear the voice of the melted man from the broadcast even days after viewing it. He also said that the melted man, which has been named as Phenomenon 228, was, quote, living in his brain and feeding on his spine. If you see Phenomenon 228 on your TV, turn the TV off immediately. Stay tuned to this station for further updates.
The doctor say?
He said the reason that I'm having trouble getting around is pain from arthritis.
Really?
He said to get moving again, I should take a leave.
But we've always taken Tylenol.
I know, but the doctor said that nothing is better than Aleve.
Doctors know Aleve can stop pain all day with fewer pills. And Aleve works right at the site of arthritis.
So how's the Aleve working?
Like a charm.
Aleve. And for
This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Turn off your television immediately. If you cannot turn off your television for any reason, grab a pair of blue light glasses and earbuds. Once you have put those on, grab a pen and paper and write down the following. I can see this paper. I can see my hand. I can't hear the screaming of thousands. I can't hear the feast. I am a moving, breathing human being on planet Earth. If you think something evil persists in your mind, say out loud Psalms 91:10.
Listen closely. Do you hear it? You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up. You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds. The scalding blood of life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast fit for a king. Together, welded by love and purest connection. Be still.